Haha. Flow Masters, Lima and G-Lexa. Listen to this. I will show you what is right and what is fucking wrong. I will hit you with the flow and I will leave your ass alone. If you're tryna catch me, you will break a fucking bone. When you turn around, I am so long gone. My tongue is whipped around, my rhymes are faster than you're gone. When you show up with the money, the deal will be done. Better pack your bags and better fucking start to run. When my flow catches you, well, it's not fun. Lima and G-Lexa are mad when they explode. The lyrics on the paper are kinda exposed. You don't wanna get it when I'm doing that thing. Better watch out when I'm slapping that slang.
Motherfucker, listen to this rhythm. Crazy records, they are the kingdom. Motherfucker, listen to this rhythm. Crazy records, they are the kingdom. Motherfucker, listen to this rhythm. Crazy records, they are the kingdom. Motherfucker, listen to this rhythm. Crazy records, they are the kingdom.
I šta sada da radim, probat ću ovaj beat da pratim. Bolje dok sam u fazonu, brate, dok se ne oladim. Sada vas po bitu ruka pucam, uvek ja se kadim. Kada skupim nešto keša, brate, muda ću da ladim. Samo pravo korak mi je krupan, nije sitan. Pažljivo me slušaj, imam nešto važno da te pitam. Brate, da li ti se sviđa ovaj nadrkani ritam? Iskreno mi reci, odgovor je jako, jako bitan. Lima je na bitu, predrkan je flow za peticu. Moj ne da mi bežiš, sada priđi loma, sedi tu. Crazy Records pravi show, zato sada puni klub. Znam je šta je fora, moj ne misliš da sam glup.